Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Dark and Smooth. The song is Rum and Coke, the artist is Roszunn, and the choreography is no other than the comparable, the lovely Cessily Greene out of Maryland. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes, out of the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And last but not least, please visit our website for the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. I would love to see you there. Please visit our website for detailed information at www.LMIUNOLA.com, and let's get it.
Hey, baby. Hey, can you hear me? Yeah, okay, I can hear you now. Where are you? No, I'm on South Beach, same place. Yeah. Well, I'm not trying to rush you. I just want to see you before I go in tonight. Chad called me and I got a lot to do at the studio. It's cool. If you're close, I'll go ahead and get you a drink. Okay. Well, I'll see you in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and get mine. Alright.
Hey bartender, give me something that's smooth. Hey bartender, give me something that's smooth. 'Cause when it goes down, I wanna feel it in my soul, like this groove. Oh yeah. And when it goes down, 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 I wanna feel it in my soul. So how about the dream around and go? You know, that's what I like, yeah. Hey, bartender, spice rum and coke. Don't forget about that spice. You know what I like. Yo, don't forget about my line. Cool. Hey, bartender, oh, you can stop my tag. Hey, bartender, yeah, you can stop my tag. 'Cause when I finish my drink, I'm gonna want another in my hand. Yeah. And when my baby gets here, she's gonna want her drink in her hands. Yeah. But while we make it free, but I just ask around and go. You know, that's what I like. Hey, bartender, spice rum and coke. Oh, you know what I like, yeah. Break it down, break it down, break it down.
Hey. Hey, I thought you were gonna be here. Oh, okay, you pulling up, okay. Yeah, just one, only one, huh? Girl, you know I don't drink like that. Everybody knows that.
Give me around
That's cool.
and go.
Nah, I can talk to you until you get to the
That's what I like.
Let's make sure everything okay.
Spice rum and
Yeah,
coke.
yeah, let me sit this down real quick.
You know what I like.
Okay, I'm gonna meet you at the door. Here I come.
And there you go, Dark and smooth. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you here at the 4-day weekend, July the 7th through the 10th, 2022. For detailed information, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.